So what's out there you doing?
Thinking tour.
Thinking tour, yeah.
Man.
Good for the nerves.
Yeah. Making your punch and all them things there. You can boil a pirate said there. Anyway,
Okay.
unroll the blood in the online, you can find it.
Yeah, alright.
Owen Thomas, unroll the blood, see me.
Hey, see it there?
You can find me online, Instagram said there.
Yeah?
A piece there.
Oh, just take it
I
out.
think it have a ice smell still, you know. It have a ice smell, you smell it?
Yeah.
But taste it. Looks and taste some of the time and smell kind of deceiving to you.
Stinking tour.
Thinking tour, that good for your nerves, brother.
Got a bone, a seed in it. Spit out the seed. Oh,
Right,
but
we're going to make it to this out.
what's this fruit here?
Stir up, that's the black one.
That one there?
That's Mommy. That's the
Mom-
next. Mommy.
Yeah.
That's jackfruit.
Oh yeah.
You have Nesberry. You have the tamarind. That's smaller than the thinking too, but it's still a shell. When you don't have to broke that shell, just crack it. Your finger. This one now you have it broke. So, yeah, me try have it. They look different, they're not round. See all that tree, you know, when you see them tree are dead easy. You don't have them tree and them live long. You have the sunblast, where you normally get this big, that's a big pretty one you see advertised. Everywhere you go you see a big round one. That's the sunblast. But you see this one? This one is the real native. This one they call it native, it's best. You cook that down in a round down, you cook your rice and peas and neighbor stay one side and smell that. When you use the sunblast, just water, just. You get me? And this them use the real oil, coconut, natural coconut oil.
Okay. How do you get
oil out of this one.
nice.
Push it till it bust, man. Push it till it bust. Now, right now, it goes, man.
Yeah.
Squeeze that. Oh, that's yes. Right.
Yes,
All
that's
right.
it.
Yeah, don't eat that part, right?
Oh,
Squeeze
outside.
the one side, yeah. Don't eat the outside. The outside bind it. If you got it and can't hold it. So they squeeze out at the very nice side. You can eat that, the white thing there, fight, you know. Don't spit it out. Have the kernel, have I seed itself? You have a little white
seed.
thing, right? Yeah.
Me too. Yeah, man.
Don't char the seed itself. Welcome to Ear Castle. You know, Ear Castle, you call it some Mommy tree.
Where?
That's how you're there. Yeah, Mommy tree.
Oh, that's what this place called.
This
No?
place called Ear Castle, St. Thomas.
Yeah, what?
Ear Castle, St.
Oh,
Thomas.
yeah. So we're saying about that Marmy tree?
That's the Mommy tree, yeah. You call it this district.
Oh, Marmy tree district, yeah.
Good there.
Like a jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fresh, nice. Yeah, man. Meet up Blood Star, just sort me out, Star, 2 things. I report them man there. I make it happen. Health and strength, always. Yeah, man, sir, man. Yeah, man. Shit. Yeah, man.
You know, I think that, you know, so these people don't really have enough enemy in town, so, you know, connect. Unroll the blood, man. Fireman, big up yourself and safe journey.
Yeah, man, bless up. Nice meeting you. Good vibe.
Same, man. One love.
Peace.
Watch your word, watch it.
Yeah.
Your turn now.
Alright, bless up.
Yes.
That will be